Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the FPS limit in Megabonk. To change the FPS limit, first open the settings menu. Then in the video tab, right under the screen section, look for the FPS limit setting. Remember, you cannot change it if your VSync is turned on. Turn it off, and right now you can change your FPS limit. You can always turn on your VSync right now and it will remember your set FPS limit. When you are done, click the X button. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.